All right, so here we're going to be focusing on compass bearing. So basically what we're doing is that we're using the different cardinal points of a compass. Just the different cardinal points of a compass. There are sometimes we have to use just the 4 cardinal points, that's north, east, south, and west. And there are certain situations where we use the eight compass cardinal points. That's north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. But in this case, we're starting with just 4 cardinal points. So let's see what it is. They said find the bearing of B from A, which means A is the starting point. You are trying to go towards B. So we are at A at the moment. What direction are we pointing to go to B? That's what the bearing means. Bearing is basically direction. What direction do we have to point to get to B? Obviously, there is a straight line going out from east going towards B, which means the bearing of what? Of A, of B from A is definitely due east. Just due east. East. So you can easily just write east. So that's the answer for compass bearing. You don't need to do any sort of calculation or anything. That's all. You just need to know the direction it's facing, due east. Now, what if that question is a little bit different, and instead of being pointed towards east, we have a question pointing in another direction? So let's say we have something like this. Okay, we have south here. Okay, and then we have our line coming down towards this direction. Okay, and then after that we have our B over here. B is over here and A is over here. So which means our B from A, what direction is that? It is obviously pointing down, which is south direction. So easily your compass bearing is going to be what? Due south. So which means the answer is simply south. And the same thing goes for if the thing is pointing north, pointing west, whatever the direction is, just put the cardinal points in that direction. That's how you deal with compass bearing with 4 cardinal points. Now let's try to move over to the one that has 8 cardinal points starting in the next video.